Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my used car vehicle pick of the week, the 2016 Cadillac SRX Luxury Collection. This vehicle only has 39,069 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. This specific SRX comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine and dual exhaust. We also do have 18 by 8 inch Bright Machine aluminum wheels. Now, when we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have our jet black leather seating throughout the entire vehicle. We also have a moonroof. Now, when it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have our 8-inch touch display. We do have heated seating, a heated steering wheel, cruise control, and front collision alert. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.